भागवत सप्ताह के अनुसार हम चौथे दिन जो है भगवान की आविर्भाव तिथि व जन्माष्टमी मनाएंगे और अच्छी तरफ से मंदिर को जो है विशेष करके ठाकुर जी की जो है
So today is the second day of the Bhagavatam,
सजाने के लिए प्रयास भी करेंगे
and according to the
फुल बांग्ला की
schedule, we'll try to make these festivals like the festival of the birth of Krishna. So you must.
हमें कोई धन की जरूरत नहीं है.
I don't need money.
आप लोग केवल इतनी सहयोगिता करें. हमें
I just want that all of you come and sit peacefully in the Harikatha and just listen to the Harikatha.
यही हमारी प्राप्त आप लोगों के निकट मेरा निवेदन है.
This is just my, like, I pray to you only that you come and listen to Harikatha. And he said that they will also observe the festival of the birth of Krishna. They'll decorate the temple like this in the Bhagavad Saptana. So, okay, Maharaj, they spoke very nicely. So in this context, I want to speak one or two words with broken language. My broken language, I want to say something.
ये श्रीमद् भागवत की अधिवेशन की कथा तो अनेकों आचार्यों ने अनेकों प्रकार की वर्णन.
Many acharyas they explain about the adhiveshana, the sitting of the Bhagavatam.
और
Mata Bhinna. So the Vedas explain.
तो इसी प्रकार शास्त्र के अनुसार भी पाया गया.
So according to the Shastra, there are three sittings of the Bhagavatam.
ये पहली अधिवेशन की कहते हैं भागवत के अधिवेशन कहते हैं प्रथम अधिवेशन.
So the first sitting of the Bhagavatam means the first place where the Bhagavatam was spoken was in the banks of the river Saraswati. It's called Vyasa Narada Samvad.
जैसे महाराज जी ने अभी कथा प्रसंग में,
just like Maharaj now he's describing, he was saying how Shukadeva Goswami Pad
नारद जी से व्यासदेव जी से श्रवण किया. और व्यासदेव कहां से श्रवण किया?
he spoke, he heard from
नारद जी कहां से श्रवण किया? कहां से? ब्रह्मा जी से. इसलिए कृष्ण चतुर्मुख.
So Vyasadeva he heard from
नारदेरमति नारद होइते व्यास.
Vyasa heard from Narada. Narada heard from Brahma. This is the Guru Parampara. So Shukadeva heard from Vyasa, Vyasa heard from Narada, Narada heard from Brahma, like this. So the first sitting of the Bhagavatam, sitting means the place where the Bhagavatam was spoken, how the circumstance of this. So it was in the river of the Saraswati river, Bhadrikasram, Vyasa Narada Samvad. In Bhagavatam explains clearly that Vyasadeva had written all the books, but he was not happy in his heart. Then Narada Rishi came, and Narada Rishi, to remove all his doubts, Narada told to Vyasa, saying, oh, look, you wrote all Vedas, Puranas, Upanishads, and people's minds are getting disturbed. Why? Because you wrote so many books, but you didn't explain four things. What? You didn't write who is Swayam Bhagavan. So you can read, like, for example, Vishnu Puran. It will look, oh, it seems that Vishnu is Swayam Bhagavan. If you read the Shiva Puran, looks like Shiva is Swayam Bhagavan. If you look Brahmanda Puran, looks like Brahmaji is Swayam Bhagavan. If you read the Devi Puran, looks like the Devi is everything. It looks like that everything comes from Devi, is kept by Devi, and also destroyed by Devi, if you read her Purana. So in the Purana is actually kind of written like this, really. So people, they have this doubt in their minds, this question, they're like, oh, you said there's only one Bhagavan, right? If there's only one Bhagavan, so why so many Devatas like Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, like this? So people, they are in doubt. And also, you didn't explain what is the highest goal for the jivas. You didn't say. Okay, you explained Trivarga, Dharma, Artha, Kama, but And after these three Vargas, like these three goals, like Dharma, Artha, and Kama, also you explained about moksha, the liberation, mukti. But after mukti, what is there? You didn't explain in the other books.
अर्थात पंचम पुरुषार्थ कृष्ण प्रेम के बारे में
So
आप स्पष्टीकरण
you didn't clarify what is the Pancham Purushartha, fifth goal of human life.
सभी तो वर्णन किया वैकुंठ अयोध्या द्वारका मथुरा गोलोक
In Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwarka, Mathura.
सब ऐसे लग रहे सब एक ही जगह
When you explain these leelas in other places, other books, looks like these leelas are all same, like all these places are same. No, you should show with differentiation, like explaining exactly what thing is, like different things like this. And also, so you described so many leelas of Krishna, but you did not explain these leelas in sequence. For example, if you read the Garga Samhita or any Puran, you don't know which Krishna is doing that Leela. Is the Vrindavana Krishna, Dwaraka Krishna, Dwarkadish Krishna, or Mathuradish Krishna? So he did not write in sequence properly the Leelas. Like they're mixed to each other. And how prema is the topmost goal, and even great devotees, they are eager to get this prem to God, no, this love of Godhead, and also to establish how this Braja Parakya prem, these paramour moods of Braja. You did not explain in a clarified manner about this. I know it's like very rare to find someone to speak or to listen about this Vraj Katha, this paramour moods of Vraja, of the Gopis, this Rasa Lila Katha, Raha Keli Vilas Katha, this kind of Katha, confidential pastimes of the Kunjas. People to speak this Katha and to hear this Katha is so rare, somebody with this kind of eligibility. But there are people with this eligibility. Gurudev used to say, if you say there's not any Mahabhagavata, nobody qualified, the earth will be destroyed. So yes, there are Mahabhagavatas in this world, but you don't know in which form they are sitting, in which form they are in this earth. You don't know which kind, where these seeds they are being sown, and how sometimes these big banyan trees, they are coming and growing and sitting under this shade of this banyan tree. So you don't know. So you cannot say there's no one qualified. In whose hearts there is which kind of seed? Who knows? It's hidden. So Narada Rishi, he told this katha to Vyasadeva. Hey Vyasadeva, you've written many things until now, 17 Puranas and everything. But now you have to write the last Purana. And you have to clarify so that all doubts, everyone's doubts will be removed. So you have to write like this, Etecham Sakala Pumsa. Did you write something like this in any Purana? No. So Gurudev used to say like this. Gurudev said, so Vyasa, Narada told Vyasa, did you write in any Purana? Etecham Sakala Pumsa, Krishna is to Bhagavan Swayam. Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan, have to establish that. Because if you read the Ramayana, it looks like Ramachandra is Swayam Bhagavan. But in the Srimad Bhagavata explains in a clarified manner that Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan. One thing is Bhagavan, another thing is Swayam Bhagavan. Many shlokas explaining what is Swayam Bhagavan.
परम पुमान जो गोविंदम आदि पुरुषम तमहं भजामि गोविंदम आदि पुरुषम तमहं भजामि स्पष्टीकरण करना पड़ेगा भाई.
So you have to make very clarified according to the Shastras. In the Bhagavatam you have to write this. Even in the, also should write also some Ram Katha in the Bhagavatam. Yes, but in the same time you speak the Ram Katha in the Bhagavatam. You establish who is the Supreme.
64 गुण में विशेष
who has
करके
the 64 qualities,
गुणों को आप कहिए। रूप माधुर्य,
especially the Rupa Madhurya,
लीला
Guna
माधुर्य
Madhurya,
और
Lila Madhurya, and
वेणु माधुर्य।
Venu Madhurya.
ये माधुर्य का प्रकाश कीजिए,
So you
तब तो
manifest this
भगवान के
sweetness.
भगवत्ता है।
Then this is the supremacy of
ये
Lord.
प्रकाश कीजिए।
So manifest that.
दूसरी मैंने क्या कहा,
And another thing also, I
ये
told,
भगवान के जो है धर्म अर्थ काम मोक्ष मुक्ति, ये जीवों की परम श्रेय नहीं है।
Dharma, Artha, Kama, Mukti, they are
मुक्ति के
not
ऊपर क्या है? प्रेम।
these four goals. Actually, they are not the
प्रेम
highest
के बारे
goal
में
for the
आप
jivas. Really, the highest goal is prema. So you have to
प्रेम के
explain very
परिभाषा
nicely
देते हुए
what is prema,
और
giving the
भागवत
definition
में
of prema and
भक्त के
everything,
तारतम्य भी दिखाइए।
and showing the like categories of the devotees. Like
भागवत में ये भी दिखाइए।
so you must show in the
शांत रस के भी
Bhagavatam.
भक्त है,
There are devotees
कोई
in
दास्य रस के
Shantarasa,
भक्त है,
some in
कोई
Dasya
सख्य
Rasa,
रस के भक्त है,
Sakya
और
Rasa,
कोई
and some
वात्सल्य रस के भक्त है,
in
और
Vatsalya
उसके
Rasa,
ऊपर
and
माधुर्य रस के भक्त है।
Madhurya
उस
Rasa.
माधुर्य रस के भक्त के भी अनेक तारतम्य है।
So many kinds of also devotees in Madhurya Rasa, many
वो आपको
differentiations.
वर्णन
So you have to describe all these differences.
उसमें सर्वश्रेष्ठ गोपियों के में
And the highest devotees are the
श्रीमती राधा
gopis.
के प्रेम
And amongst the
माधुर्य की
gopis,
आप
Srimati Radhika.
दिखाइए।
So you have to show the supremacy of her
प्रत्यक्ष
love.
रूप में, परोक्ष रूप में,
Indirectly
आप
and
जैसे
indirectly,
चाहें,
however you
आप
want,
वर्णन करिए इसको।
but you have to describe this.
हैं? इसके वर्णन कीजिए।
So please describe that.
और तीसरी जो है अवलोकन में बताया था, जी कृष्ण के लीलाओं के जो है सुंदर रूप इन सीक्वेंस,
And write Krishna's Leela in sequence.
बताइए। एक ब्रज लीला, फिर
So
मथुरा
one thing is
लीला,
Braja
और
Leela and then
दूसरी
also Mathura Leela, then
द्वारका
Dwaraka
लीला।
Leela.
इसके वर्णन कीजिए।
So please describe that.
कृष्ण के जन्म से लेके अंत ध्यान तक
From the birth of Krishna until his
ये सब
disappearance.
लीलाओं को जो है
Write all
सुंदर
these
रूप
Leelas in
में
a very beautiful
वर्णन
way. Describe this in a very beautiful way.
हैं? कृष्ण कैसे माँ जसोदा के गर्भ से जन्म,
How Krishna took birth from the womb of Mother Jashoda, and then
बाल लीला आदि करते हुए
how he
सभी
did
लोगों के चित्त
childhood
पे कैसे
pastimes and how
हरण
he
किया।
stole the heart
इसके
of
पश्चात
everyone.
सखाओं के साथ
Then
कैसे
Krishna,
खेल
he
करते
played with his
भगवत
friends,
लीला कैवलम।
making pastimes as like a
वेदांत
human
सूत्र में
being.
साफ लिख दिया,
In the Vedanta
लोकवस्तु
Sutra, you
लीला
wrote,
कैवलम।
Lokabatu Lila Koivalam,
भगवान
that Bhagavan,
मनुष्य भांति
he
लीला
does
करते हैं।
pastimes just like a
इसको
human
दिखाइए।
being. So you said
सख्य
that
रस के बाद
in
और
the
भी
Vedanta.
आगे आप
So
बताइए।
describe this in the Bhagavatam. How are
वर्णन
these
कीजिए।
Leelas like a human
किस
being?
प्रकार कृष्ण
How
गोपियों
Krishna,
के साथ
he is with the
प्रेम
gopis,
विहार आदि
doing pastimes,
हैं?
if
साधारण मनुष्य के भांति
just
ये
like an
सब
ordinary
संसारों
human being.
जैसे एक युवती नांग यथा जुनंती युवती यथा, जिस प्रकार ये युवा काल
Just
आने
like,
का
just
होने
like
पर
you know, when the
स्वाभाविक
youth
रूप से
come, youth age
एक
comes,
युवती के प्रति उनके मन
like
अपने आप
a
चले
man, like a young boy, is automatically
उसी
attracted to
प्रकार
a young
कृष्ण
girl,
की
and
ये
like
मनुष्य भांति के
a
लीला
woman, young woman, and a young woman also automatically attract to a young man, a guy, no?
मनुष्य नहीं है, किंतु
In the,
मनुष्य के
so
भांति
this attraction is
ऐसी लीलाओं में
spontaneous
दिखाई।
in the youth.
और इसके
So
पश्चात
God is making pastimes not like
ब्रज लीला
he's
के
not a human
पश्चात
being, but he is
आप
doing,
मथुरा लीला का भी वर्णन कीजिएगा।
but he's doing the pastimes as like a
जिस
human
राज्य
being.
के लिए संग भगवान इस संसार में आते
So
हैं,
for which reason God came to this world?
विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि जुगे जुगे। इसके जो आपके ये बात वचन जो है, वो
So these
भगवान
words,
के वचन का स्थापित कर दिए।
God came to establish these
मथुरा में
words,
आकर के
like to,
कैसे उसमें के बाद
like for example, in
और
Mathura,
इसके
Krishna
पश्चात
killed so many
वो भी
demons, no?
वर्णन
Demons.
कीजिए,
So he
द्वारका
came in
लीला
this
भी
world
वर्णन
to
कीजिए।
establish Varnashram
जैसे
Dharma, kill the
साधारण व्यक्ति
demons.
जैसे घर गृहस्थ में
So
रह
like
करके
in Dwaraka, Krishna
अपने
stayed just like
माता
a
पिता
human
भाई
being.
बंधु स्त्री पुत्र परिवार के
Just
साथ
like a human
रहते
being,
हैं।
he lives with his family and friends
लौकिक
and
सद्बंधवत प्रीति
with
जिसको कहा
family and
जाता
his
है,
low kick sadbandh
वो
but
भी लीला
priti,
वर्णन कीजिए।
family affection,
अर्थात
like this family relations and this
कृष्ण
love for the family.
महिषी के साथ विवाह,
So Krishna
कितने
also
महिषी
got
के साथ
married
विवाह हुआ?
to how many queens?
16,108
16,108.
कैसे हुई? और उनके कैसे उनके पुत्र कन्या भी कैसे
And
थे,
he had
एक
so
एक
many
कैसे
sons
हुए?
and and
वो
daughters
भी
and
वर्णन कीजिए।
describe also how are the sons of
श्रीमद्
Krishna and
भागवत
everything.
वर्णन करते हैं। तब लोग फिर इसके बाद आप धीरे धीरे वर्णन कीजिए।
Then okay,
मौसम
slowly,
लीला
slowly you
वर्णन
describe
कीजिए।
Moshe Leela.
नारद ऋषि सारे इंट्रोडक्शन
So
दे
Narada
दिया।
Rishi, he gave the introduction, or like he explained clearly to Vyasadeva what he had to write.
अब इसी
And
प्रकार से व्यासदेव
Vyasadeva
मौसम लीला भी वर्णन कीजिए।
also describe, you should describe Moshe Leela,
और
how the Yadavas
महिषी
disappeared,
अपहरण
you know,
लीला,
and also
ये
how the
सब भी वर्णन
Mahishis
कीजिए।
were
और
kidnapped,
अंत में
Mahishi Haran
संग
Leela,
भगवान कैसे प्रभास
and
करके
also
जा
how
करके
Bhagavan went to
कैसे
Konda, one place, and he disappeared there. You have to write all these
जिसके
Leelas.
लोग तो इस कथा को सुन करके चमत्कृत
then
हो
people listen these leelas and they'll become astonished.
मैंने कहा था ना जी,
Just like yesterday I
श्रीमद्
told
भागवत के क्या कहा जाता
that
है?
the Bhagavatam is called the Puran Samrat. Chakravarti means the complete emperor, emperor of all the Puranas. He's the highest of all the Puranas. Yesterday I told,
सामान्य संक्षेप है,
but the
समस्त
time is
भागवत
brief.
कहाँ बोल पाएंगे?
How can we speak all this Bhagavad Sapta?
6 लक्षण तक होता है।
So there are
किंतु
10
श्रीमद् भागवत में
characteristics for the Bhagavatam in the fullest way. 10 characteristics, Sarga, Visarga, etc. Yesterday I told, but the Puranas, they only, generally they have only 6 characteristics.
इसके पुराण सम्राट ये भागवत की ऐसे इसलिए
So this is showing how Bhagavatam is the Puran Samrat, the emperor of all the Puranas. So the first adivation, the first sitting or circumstance of Bhagavatam was Narada Vyasa Samvad, Badikashram, that place, in the banks of Saraswati River. Second was in Sukartali, this place near the Ganges, and it was the katha between Shuka and Parikshit.
सुंदर रमणीय स्थान वहीं पर तृतीय अधिवेशन
In the third,
जैसे अभी अभी हमारे महाराज जी ने भी बताया,
just like Maharaj said, in Naimisharanya.
भागवत में प्रथम स्कंध में यही श्लोक आते जा रहे हैं.
So this श्लोक is coming in the first canto of Bhagavatam.
नमिषे नमिषारण्य क्षेत्रे ऋषय सनकादय सत्र सर्गाय लोकाय सहस्र समामासत्. इसलिए तृतीय अधिवेशन की कथा हम लोग श्रवण कर रहे हैं.
So the third adivation, third circumstance of Bhagavatam was in Naimisharanya, in the banks of the,
कौन सा नदी है?
which river?
गोमती नदी के तट.
Gomati
देखो
river.
अधिवेशन जहाँ पर हो रहा है.
So the circumstance, the sitting, the circumstance, sitting, where like the Bhagavatam was spoken, people sat down. So the third
गोमती के तट
was in the banks of the river Gomati.
सनकादि ऋषि के साथ सूत गोस्वामी की कथा.
So it was the Sutta Sonak Samvad.
वास्तव रूप में ये श्रीमद् भागवत की कथा प्रसंग जो हम लोग श्रवण
So in the context of the Bhagavatam,
यही से ही हम लोग के प्रारंभ हुआ है. सूत
so actually the Bhagavatam starts there.
इसी के लिए के सारे भागवत
From this conversation, all Bhagavatam was manifested. Like in the book, no, we see how this happened. So Sutta Goswami told Katha to Shonakadi Rishis. The Rishis headed by Shonaka Goswami. Shonaka Rishi.
महाराज के कथा श्रवण कराने के बाद वो तो स्वधाम में चले गए.
So
इसके बाद
after Shukadeva Goswami told Harikatha to Parikshit, actually this thing that Takshak came and bites, the Takshak bites to Parikshit, actually this is in the Bhagavatam, but this is Indrajalik, it's like illusion lila.
इसके पश्चात जो है जब परीक्षित
Like how Takshak bites to Parikshit. And then
परीक्षित के पुत्र जब जन्मेंजय जब
the
राजा
son of Parikshit, Janmejai, he became king.
तो जन्मेंजय जब ये कथा को सुना,
And then he heard this story,
पिता के जो है
how his father,
सर्पकुल के अधिपति
he was bites by Takshak, which is the like highest of the snakes.
उसने क्या यज्ञ किया?
So he arranged a Sarpa Jagya, fire sacrifice of snake. The Janmenjai, son of Parikshit. He said, I will destroy all the snakes of the earth. So the Brihad Bhagavatam explained this story. So he called some great rishis to make this. No, some people they do Ashwamedha Yagya, some people they Rajasuya Yagya, but he made a vow to make the Sarpa Jagya. To kill the snake who had killed his father. So he established this. He brought many great rishis. And they were saying the name of snakes and saying Swaha. Not Aha. Swaha. And then, so he was saying the name of each snake, and the snakes, they came like brought, like dragged, and they were like being thrown in the fire. So the Takshak was afraid of dying like this. So what to do.
तक्षक साक्षात जाकर के
So
स्वर्ग राज्य में
Takshak, the
जाकर
snake,
इंद्र के
went to the
सिंहासन की
Swargalok
तरफ ऐसे
and
ऊपर
she
चढ़ी।
just rolled in the throne of Indra, like she rolled herself up in the throne of Indra.
यहाँ पर मंत्री ऋषि लोग क्या कर रहे हैं?
So the rishis were calling her with these mantras, but the connection stopped.
स्वाहा
So they were like, Om Takshak Swaha, like this, calling her name.
समेत सिंहासन
But then Indra, with his throne also, they came dragged,
आने लगे।
and the Takshak also.
इसको देख करके ब्रह्मा देवता आदि
So
हाहाकार
the
करने
demigods,
लगे।
they became like a,
ब्रह्मा जी के प्रार्थना की,
they to Brahma, oh Brahma,
प्रभु आप रक्षा
Prabhu,
कीजिए।
please protect us, because Indra was
और
also being
उनसे
dragged.
समझाया,
So
है, कि हिंसा के द्वारा हिंसा लेने पर शांति
like
नहीं।
you cannot get peace by answering violence with more violence.
शांति की बात
Like
करो।
revenge is not to bring you peace. So let's speak about
देखो,
peace.
और उसके पश्चात साक्षात ब्रह्मा जी ने उनको
Then
भी
Brahma
शपथ
ji,
कराया।
he told to, I think, to
Yeah.
Parikshit, to Janmenjay, I think, no?
उसके पिता की नाम
What is the name of his father?
जन्मेंजय,
Yeah, to Janmenjay.
वास्तव रूप में तुम्हारे
Brahma ji
पिताजी
told, look, your father, Parikshit,
साक्षात रूप में भगवत
actually,
धाम नहीं चले
he
गए।
he was not bitten by the snake. Actually, he had gone to the Bhagavad Dham. He got Bhagavan. He attained to
और ये
Bhagavan.
तो कोई ऊपर के दिखाने के लिए
This was just like
मैं
some
तुमको
external
इस
thing,
कथन को सुनाता।
just so people see that,
जैसे
but this is
जैसे
not true
कथा हुई,
what
उस
happened.
कथा को मैं
So I'll tell you exactly what happened.
उसी
Brahma ji
सभा में
told.
तब उन्होंने कथा भी श्रवण कराया, जिसके कथा कहते थे सिद्धार्थ भागवत
So this is the story of Brihad
ग्रंथ
Bhagavatam.
के अनुसार
According to Brihad Bhagavatamrita,
जन्मेंजय और
this is conversation between Janmenjay and
वैशंपर नहीं, व्यासदेव के 4 शिष्य है ना, इसमें जो है
one of the 4 disciples of Vyasadeva.
पहिलो वैशंपर, हाँ, सुमते जैमिनी ऋषि।
Yes, Jaimini Rishi.
बृहद भागवत
So the
में
Brihad
है,
Bhagavatam is the
जैमिनी
conversation
और
between Jaimini Rishi and Janmenjay.
और श्रीमद् भागवत में उसी भी कथा भी इस प्रसंग में आ रहे हैं। तो उसी सभा में कौन थे?
So who was in that
श्रीमद् भागवत
assembly?
की यहाँ पर जो है ये ऋषियों के सभा में नैमिषारण्य जब आए पधारे,
So in Naimisharanya, this third circumstance
जब पधारे,
where the
बोले
Bhagavatam
उसी
was.
सभा में मैं भी था।
So this Jaimini Rishi said, when Sutta Goswami told the Katha of Bhagavatam, I was also there.
जैसे जैसे मैंने आप कथा
So whatever
श्रवण
I
किया,
heard from him,
आप लोग की कथा
I will tell you.
इसे श्रीमद् भागवत में 3 श्लोकों के द्वारा
So with
श्रीमद्
3
भागवत
shlokas,
में जो है
the Bhagavatam
वंदना बाद
is doing some
आशीर्वाद,
bandhana, means
आदि ये
Ashirvad, and it's doing the
करेंगे, जाते कुछ समय लगेगा।
blessing and the obeisances.
नमस्कार
Ashirvad, blessing, namaskar, obeisances, and
वस्त्रकार नियम होता है,
so there's some rule how to do the Mangalacharan.
संहिता के अनुसार
According to the literature, the Bhagavatam also has this.
पहली जो है भगवत स्तुति आदि किया।
So first they're doing the stuti, the Bhagavatam is doing the of God, Bhagavan Stuti. So all the books that Vyasadeva wrote, like Puranas, for the removal of obstacles, he's always praying to some demigods, like maybe some Ganesh Stuti, praying to the Ganesha, praying to David, Durga, or Vishnu, or I don't know. But in the Bhagavatam, nobody's being praised or prayed to, no demigods, only who is being. And then the prayers, the stuti, are only for Krishna. Satyam Param Dimahi. So there's gigantic meaning and commentary of this shloka. Satyam Param Dimahi. I meditate in the supreme absolute truth. Who? Swayam Bhagavan Krishna Govinda. So in the Srimad Bhagavatam is a great Mahapurana, where in this Bhagavatam no demigod, demigoddesses is being praised, like a glorified, only Krishna.
अन्यादितरतश्च अभिज्ञ सराट मेरा गला है
My throat.
जन्मादर्शाज्जत अन्यादितरतश्च अभिज्ञ सराट तेने ब्रह्मा हृदा ज आदि कावये मुज्जन्ति यत्सूरयो तेजो गारी मृदांग यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो अमृषा धम्ना सेन सदा निरस्तं क्वाकं सत्यं परं धीमहि। इसके तो बहुत सुंदर व्याख्या है।
Beautiful description of this, but the time is so brief. How can I speak? So there is a meaning of Aishwarya, opulence, and also sweetness, Madhurya, in this verse, first verse. Not one meaning, 108 meanings and commentaries on this sloka.
एक ही शब्द मैं कहता हूँ,
So just tell you one
ये
thing.
श्रीमद् भागवत की मूल कौन है,
Who is
प्रतिपाद्य
the
विषय क्या है?
what is the
कृष्ण
main
भगवान
subject and main thing of the
है। तत्व
Bhagavatam?
विचार
It's
में
just to say
गुरुदेव
that
कहते
Krishna
हैं,
is Swayam Bhagavan.
श्रीमद् भागवत की मूल
So the
प्रतिपाद्य
Mool
विषय क्या
Pratipad
है?
Vishayam is the
न
main
सर्ववेदांत
subject
सारं तद्ब्रह्म
established by Bhagavatam is that Krishna is
आत्मिक
Swayam Bhagavan.
लक्षणम
Main subject, like
वस्तु
the theme,
अद्वितीयं
the subject
तद्निष्ठं
established by the
केवल
Bhagavatam
का
is
प्रयोजनम।
Krishna is Swayam Bhagavan. Is Tattva Vichar.
स्पष्टीकरण कर दिया इसमें, ये सर्व वेदांत सारम, समस्त वेद पुराण उपनिषद के सार।
So the essence of all Veda, Puranas, and Upanishads is Srimad
और
Bhagavatam.
इसमें उनके जत ब्रह्म आत्मिक लक्षणम, ब्रह्म के आत्म स्वरूप है। तो ब्रह्म कहने के शब्द क्या है? कोई निर्विशेषवादी ब्रह्म नहीं है।
So not the Nirvisheshvadi Brahma.
भगवान है, प्रिंसिपल मीनिंग क्या है?
The main meaning of Brahma actually is Swayam Bhagavan, Brajendranandana
उनके
Shama Sundara.
आत्मा कौन है? जैसे महाराज जी
Who is
बार
the
बार
Atma of Brajendranandana Shama Sundara?
याद दिलाते
Like
हैं।
Maharaj is always telling us the same thing to remind us.
आत्मकाम शब्द की व्याख्या
Atmaram
महाराज
and Aptakam.
बार बार याद
Again and
दिलाते
again, Maharaj is telling us the
हैं।
meaning
ये
of
कृष्ण
this.
की आत्मा कौन है?
Who is the soul of Krishna?
स्वयं राधा जी
Shrimati Radhika.
है। और आत्मकाम वही राधा जी के साथ स्वयं कृष्ण ही लीला क्रीड़ा विलास विलास आदि करते
And how Krishna does pastimes with
यही
Shrimati
प्रेम है।
Radhika. This is Prem.
है। जैसे गुरुदेव एक शब्द बोलते
So
थे,
Gurudeva told one
स्त्री
thing.
पुरुष के मिलन से क्या होता है?
By the meeting of man and woman, don't think bad things.
पुत्र संतान होता है।
But the sons come, right? Sons, daughters,
स्त्री
like
पुरुष के
offspring.
मिलन में क्या
By the
होता
meeting
है?
of woman and man, men and woman, what comes?
पुत्र
Sons, isn't it? Sons, daughters.
यही प्रेम
So this Prem,
जिसके हमारे चैतन्य चरितामृत में कृष्णदास
like in
कविराज
Chaitanya Charitamrita,
राजू
Krishnadas
के
Kaviraj
संवाद
Goswami
में
and
इस
Raya
सुंदर
Ramananda
रूप में
Samvad,
वर्णन
he
किया।
explained in a
ना
beautiful
सो
way.
रमन ना हम रमणी दूह पेसल एकल जानी, क्या मैं रमणी हूँ?
Am I the enjoyer or am I the enjoyee?
है?
Am I the enjoyee or the
ऐसे
enjoyer?
प्रेम कैसे सुंदर वस्तु
So
होता
how
है?
this Prem becomes such an amazing, beautiful thing?
मिलन में जैसे
In the
फल
meeting,
प्राप्त होता है,
this
उसी
fruit is
प्रकार
coming.
श्रीमद्
So in the
भागवत
same
में
way, the Srimad Bhagavatam
स्पष्टीकरण करते हैं,
clarifies, explains clearly.
अपूर्व फल बताते जा रहे
So the Bhagavatam is giving
इसलिए कहते हैं,
fruits
वो फल क्या
without
है?
any precedence, like in precedence
हैं?
fruit. What is this fruit?
उसी के लिए कहते हैं, ये श्रीमद् भागवत कहते हैं निगम कल्पतरु गलित फलम सुकम खात पीबत भागवत रसमालयम मुहुरौ रसिका भूवि भावुका। इस अध्याय पर ही वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं, कौन इसको आस्वादन करेंगे,
So who can relish
कौन
this
इसको वर्णन
Bhagavatam?
करेंगे?
Who will describe
ये
this
रसिक
Bhagavatam?
और भावुक जन।
The Rasik and
वास्तव में
Bhavuk
सत्य है।
devotees. This is true.
भागवत सभी पढ़ते हैं,
Everybody reads the
किंतु
Bhagavatam.
भागवत की
But
रस आस्वादन
this,
करने के
to
लिए
relish
यहाँ
these
पर अधिकार
secrets
नहीं
of the
है।
Bhagavatam depends on the qualification, the eligibility.
भावुक और
The Bhavuk and the
रसिक
Rasik devotees,
हैं।
they can do that. Those who are experts in the bhavs, in the moods, and in the rasas.
इसलिए क्या है? मुँह
Oh my God, this is bad, no? I think the Hindi.
की रस आस्वादन करने के लिए यहाँ पर अधिकार ही नहीं कर रहे हैं।
So depends on the eligibility to relish these secrets of the Bhagavatam.
भावुक का एक बार नहीं,
So not only once, again and again. Again and
ऐसे
again.
फल है जिसको हम लोग बार बार
So which fruit we are always sucking.
भागवत रसमालयम मुहु रहो रसिका भुवि भावुका, रसिक और भावुक जन, ऐसे तेरे नहीं, साधारण लोग के लिए नहीं है, रस आस्वादन तो ही करेगा।
So these
आगे
people
की कथा हम
can relish these rasas.
द्वितीय श्लोक भी हम काल भी थोड़ा आप लोग के निकट
So the second shloka, yesterday I told you a little bit to you about this.
ये कथा तो हम लोग आपके निकट श्रवण कराया, क्योंकि कथा संक्षेप में सब कुछ हमें बोलना ही पड़ेगा।
Because we have to tell everything briefly. If we describe each verse, it will take so much time.
भागवत की कथा प्रारंभ में यहीं पर शुरू हुई है। जब ये समस्त मुनि लोग एक बार भगवान
So-
विष्णु एवं देवताओं के परम
The Munis,
क्षेत्र नमिषारण्य में
they were in
सनकादि
Naimisharanya.
ऋषियों ने भगवत प्राप्ति की इच्छा से
The Shaunaka
सहस्त्र
rishis,
वर्ष के
rishis
पूरे
headed by
होने वाली
Shaunaka,
एक महान
they wanted to attain
यज्ञ
to
का
God
अनुष्ठान
and they
किया।
prepared a great fire sacrifice.
सभी मुनि लोग यज्ञ
So
आदि
all
कर
the
रहे
Munis,
हैं।
they are going to do the yagya,
हैं?
the
कितने
fire
दिन के लिए?
sacrifice. For how many days?
सहस्त्र।
Sahasra,
हैं?
1,000 days.
देखो 100 वर्ष में पूरे होने वाली एक महान यज्ञ का अनुष्ठान किया।
So they want to
और
do this huge fire sacrifice.
यज्ञ समाप्त होते जा रहे, प्रातः काल में यज्ञ होता है,
So they do the
दिवा
fire
भाग में
sacrifice
यज्ञ,
in the morning,
रात्रि काल में
in the
बस शाम के
evening
समय
time.
सारे ऋषि लोग
All the
एकत्रित
rishis,
होकर
they used to
के
gather together
भगवान के गुण कथा कीर्तन करते
and to
हैं।
glorify
ये रामायण
God.
भी है, जो परंपरा है।
Ramayana also
जैसे
explains, this is a
भगवान
tradition.
रामचंद्र की कथा आप लोग
Like, for
जानते हैं।
example, you know about Lord
अश्वमेध यज्ञ की कथा
Ramachandra,
सुनाया।
how he did
ये
Ashwamedha Yagya, this fire sacrifice
दिन में
of the
एक
horse.
अश्वमेध
So
यज्ञ
during the
होते
day,
हैं।
he was doing this
दिन में
fire
यज्ञ
sacrifice,
और
Ashwamedha Yagya.
सायंकाल में
And the evening time,
ऋषि लोग
the
यज्ञ आदि करके
rishis,
जब बैठे हुए थे
they used to sit down
और इतने समय
and
भगवान की इच्छा से सुत गोस्वामी पाद
okay, so the rishis were there, okay, the Naimisharanya, and by desire of God, that day Sutta Goswami came.
सौभाग्य उदय होता है।
So when our good fortune arises, this happens, we'll be able to have the darshan of this kind of saints.
सबके भाग में नहीं है।
Nobody,
बड़े भाग
not
से
not everyone has
मानव
this in their
स्वभाव,
destiny, in their
सूरज
fortune.
अनुभव, सद्गंध
Not everyone has
एक तो
this in
मानव
their
जीवन बड़ी
destiny.
दुर्लभ है।
You know, this human
और
life
इससे
is
भी
so
दुर्लभ
rare,
क्या
and
है?
even rarer, more rare than this
महात्मा
human
के
life
दर्शन।
is to have the darshan of a saint,
हैं?
Mahatma, like a great soul,
ऐसे
a great,
सुत गोस्वामी जब
you know, sadhu,
प्रकट हुए,
pure sadhu.
समस्त
So
ऋषि लोग
when Sutta
अपने
Goswami
संत
came,
कार्य आदि को बंद
all
कर
the
दिया।
other rishis, they stopped
हैं?
what they're doing,
सभी लोग
and all of them
अपने
automatically, like
आसन से
naturally, they rose,
उठे,
like
खड़े हो
they stood up from their
और
asanas,
सुत गोस्वामी
and
पाद को आसन में
they
से आसन पर
offered the
बैठाया।
higher seats
और
to
इसके
Sutta
बाद
Goswami
क्या
to
हुई?
sit down, and then after that,
उनसे जो 6 प्रश्न करने लगे।
they did 6
देखो
questions
ये
to him.
श्रीमद् भागवत में जो भी
So
कथा हम
actually,
बोलते
all the
जाएंगे,
katha we speak about the
जो कथा आप लोग
Bhagavatam
श्रवण कर
and
रहे हैं,
everything also you've
ये
heard from the
6
Bhagavatam,
प्रश्न ही बात।
it's actually the
वो
answer to
6
the 6
प्रश्न के
questions.
उत्तर ही जो है,
So the answer to the
ये
6
श्रीमद्
questions
भागवत
is
में
the Srimad
18,000
Bhagavatam.
श्लोकों
The
के द्वारा
18,000 shlokas of the Bhagavatam, they
विभिन्न
come
उपाख्यान के द्वारा
to answer the 6 questions through different
है।
stories, etc.
इसलिए प्रथम प्रश्न
So
क्या
the
है?
first question, what was it?
है? शौनकादि ऋषि लोग
So
ये
the
पहले
rishis
ये
headed by
प्रश्न करने
Shaunak,
लगे।
Shaunaka the rishi, they asked,
ये
first,
सुत गोसाई कृपा करके आप
hey
बताइए,
Sutta Goswami, please merciful tell us,
पुरुष के परम जो है
what is
ऐकांतिक श्रेय वस्तु
the
क्या है?
only
एक है श्रेय और
welfare
एक है
for
प्रिय।
the human beings. One thing is
इसको
Shreya and
लोगों
another
की
is
समझ नहीं आते।
people don't understand that.
कहीं कहीं जाकर के बड़े बड़े पंडित लोगों के साथ भी तर्क हो जाता
Even
है।
you can discuss like logic with
Shreya
great
किसको
pundits.
कहा जाता
They
है?
like they
और प्रिय
what is
किसको प्रिय
Shreya
किसको
and
कहा
what is
जाता है?
Priya? Like
प्रिय
Priya and
उससे कहा
Shreya.
जाता है इस
Shreya
संसार
and
में
Priya.
हमारे साथ
Something
अच्छा लगता
that
है।
you like,
माता,
something you
पिता,
like in this
भाई,
world.
बंधु,
For example,
ये
you like
सब
your
क्या
friends, your
लगता है?
mother, your friends,
प्रिय
your
लगता है।
brothers. This is Priya, is
और श्रेय
dear.
किसको कहा जाता है?
And Shreya,
श्रेष्ठ। एक
Shreya
मात्र
is something
भगवत कथा,
higher.
भगवत प्रेम।
Is Bhagavad Katha,
है।
Bhagavad Prem.
इसलिए यही समझ से कहते हैं पुंसाम एकम तो श्रेयस्तनम संसहतुम अहर्षि। हमें ये कृपा करके ये
So
बताइए
please merciful tell us,
पुरुषों की श्रेय वस्तु क्या है?
what is the Shreya Vas, like the highest thing for the human beings, for the conditioned
श्रेष्ठ
souls?
वस्तु धन संपत्ति तो आज रहे काल नहीं चले।
Okay, wealth and money, today we have, tomorrow not
जो भी धन
anymore.
जो है
Whatever wealth,
आज है काल नहीं रहे।
today you have, but maybe
किंतु
tomorrow
ऐसे
not,
भी
like
धन की बात
so
करके
temporary,
बताइए,
isn't it?
श्रेष्ठ धन
So what is
जिसको
this
प्राप्त होने पर
highest
तुमको
wealth that if you get this wealth, you'll
वो
never,
क्या
it will
है?
never be destroyed?
कृष्ण
Is
प्रेम धन।
Krishna Prema
वो हमें
Dhan.
इसके बारे में बताइए। है? इसलिए हम कहते पश्चिम रूप में करें तत्र 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 अंजसाम दुश्मनम भवता जत विनिश्चितम पुरुषम एकम तंग जत्स्यस्तम संस्कृतम अहर्षि। वही कथा हमें समझाइए।
So please tell us this
ये
katha.
पहले प्रश्न
Make,
था।
like explain to
द्वितीय
us.
प्रश्न
So this is
क्या
the first
था?
question. Second question,
ये आप कृपा करके
merciful please you,
है आत्म स्वरूप भगवान श्री हरि की कैसे प्रसन्न हो
how to please
इसके बारे
God,
में हमें
the soul of the
बताइए।
souls. Tell about
भुरि
this.
भुरि कर्माणि श्रोतव्यानि विभागसम् अतः साधु अत्र संसत् सद्भुतर्ष मुनियोसा ब्रूहि न सद्दधान जेनो आत्मा प्रसीदति, जेनो आत्मा प्रसीदति, यहाँ बात है भगवान की प्रसन्नता कैसे
So
हो,
how to please Bhagavan?
जीवा की कल्याण कैसे हो, आत्म
How the
कल्याण
jiva
कैसे हो,
can
उसके
be
बारे में हमें
benefited?
बताइए।
Tell us about this.
तीसरी प्रश्न यह है,
So third question,
यही हम कृपा करके भगवान देवकी वसुदेव की
so merciful tell
पुत्र के
us
रूप में कैसे आए,
how Bhagavan came as son
और
of
उसके
Devaki
बारे
and
में
Vasudeva.
हमें बताइए। सुत जानांसि भद्रं ते भगवान सत्यतां पतिं देवकां वासुदेवस्य जानो जस्य चिकीर्षया। भगवान वासुदेव के जो है जन्म कथा है, वो कथा हमें वर्णन कीजिए।
Tell us about how he was born from
कैसे वो
Devaki
देवकी और
Vasudeva,
वसुदेव
like
के
this.
गर्भ में कैसे आए,
How he came
वो
in
कथा
his
हमें
in her womb.
श्रवण कराइए।
Tell us the story.
तृतीय प्रश्न यह है,
Fourth, I think, no? Fourth question.
तृतीय प्रश्न। चौथा प्रश्न यह है,
Fourth question.
भगवान के अनेक अवतारों की कथा जो है,
Tell us this
आप हमें
Avatar Katha,
बताइए।
like the stories of the avatars of God.
सुत भद्रं ते भगवान सत्यतां पति देवकां वासुदेवस्य जातो जस्य चिकीर्षया। चतुर्थ जो है, तन्न उनके जो है जितने भी अवतार आदि के जो कथा हमें श्रवण कराइए।
Tell us about these Avatar
पंचम
Kathas.
प्रश्न यह
And
है,
fifth question,
ये भगवान कृष्ण के जो है जसो महिमा की कथा हमें आप वर्णन कीजिए।
tell us the glories of Krishna, Jasha Mahima,
छठवां प्रश्न यह था,
like the glories
ये
of the fame of
स्वयं
Krishna, like
भगवान
this,
जब
his deeds,
इस
everything.
धराधाम से जब
And
चले गए,
sixth
धर्म
question,
किसको शरण
when
दिया?
God left this world,
गृहीत
Dharma
वेश्वरो
took
कृष्ण
shelter of what?
ब्रह्मण्य धर्म वर्मणि संकष्ठाम अधुनोनुपते धर्मांकां शरणागत। जिस भगवान कृष्ण जब
When
इस
Bhagavan
धराधाम से यानी
Krishna,
द्वारका लीला
he
आदि
left
करके बाद
this
जब
world,
चले गए,
like after Dwaraka Leela and
और
everything, he
उसमें
left.
धर्म किसको
Dharma
आश्रय
took
दिया,
shelter of what?
उसके बारे में आप बताइए।
Tell us, please.
ये से श्रीमद् भागवत की वास्तव रूप में
So this is actually
कथा
the
प्रारंभ हुई,
beginning of the Katha
और
of the
इसी
Bhagavatam.
कथा को जो है श्रील सुत गोस्वामी पाद
So
सोनकादि ऋषि के निकट
Sutta Goswami
कहने
Pada,
लगे,
he told
ये जैसे जैसे मैंने श्रवण किया
to them,
आपके
Sutta
निकट वही
Goswami
कथा
said,
वर्णन
I'll
करते
just
जा
tell
रहा
you
हूं।
exactly what I heard.
इसी संदर्भ में महाराज ने आप
So in
लोगों के
this
निकट
context,
बहुत
Maharaj
सुंदर रूप
also
में
in a very beautiful way, he told to you
सुखदेव के जन्म वृत्तांत
about the
संक्षेप
story
रूप
how
में
Shukadeva
बताया,
Goswami, he was born.
और इसके बाद
Because
परीक्षित
Shukadeva
महाराज
Goswami was
की
the guru of Sutta Goswami, right?
जन्म कथा भी
So also
बताया
how
कि
Parikshit
ये
Maharaj
हमारे
was born.
परीक्षित कहते व्यास, ये क्या बोले श्रोता और वक्ता के बारे में तो जानना चाहिए।
So you should
ये
know
वक्ता कौन है
who is
और
speaking
सुनने
that the
वाले
book,
कौन
who
है,
is speaking like the Bhagavatam,
इसके
who is
बारे में तो
listening.
जानना चाहिए कि
We
नहीं।
should know who, in the
ये
conversation who is
वक्ता
speaking,
जो
who
है,
is listening. Like,
इस वक्ता में है कौन?
so who is the
सुखदेव
speaker?
गोस्वामी।
Shukadeva Goswami
इसलिए
Pada.
सुखदेव
So we
गोस्वामी के
must know
जन्म
about
के बारे
him.
में
We should know
हमें
about
जानना
his
भी चाहिए।
birth.
जैसे महाराज जी ने भी
Just
बताया
like Maharaj spoke.
है, कैसे व्यस्त न सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद किस प्रकार संपूर्ण वैराग्य होकर के
How he was completely
और कैसे
detached.
चले, और इसके पश्चात उसके पीछे स्वयं व्यासदेव जी ने
And after that,
हा पुत्र करके जैसे
Vyasadeva
चले,
also came running
और
after him, screaming,
दो
ah,
श्लोकों
oh
के
my son,
द्वारा
oh my son. And
वही
then
शुक्र
Vyasadeva,
पक्षी को
he told two
उन्होंने
verses to be able to catch
पकड़ा।
this
ये सब
Shukadeva,
कथा भी
which was
महाराज
like
ने
a
संक्षेप
parrot.
में बताया
Maharaj spoke in
है।
briefly all
दो
this,
श्लोक जो है
like
महाराज
especially
जी ने
two
बताया
verses Maharaj
है,
told.
बढ़ापीर नटवरवपु कृष्ण जिन कैसे रूप
Barha
सुंदर
Piramna
रूप, और
Tavaravapu, the
भगवान
sloka
के
explaining the
गुण
beauty of
कैसे,
Krishna, and also
कोई
another
रूपवान
sloka
हो
about
सकता है, हो सकता है उसके
the
गुण नहीं हो,
qualities of
गुणवान
Krishna.
नहीं है,
Because
कोई
maybe a person
गुणवान
is
हो
beautiful, like
उसके रूपवान
handsome,
रूप
but
गुण
does
नहीं है,
not
ये
have
भी
the
संसार में
qualities.
होता है।
Like
किंतु
does not
भगवान
have
में क्या है,
qualities. Some person maybe
रूप
has
भी है
qualities but
और
doesn't, it's not
गुण भी
beautiful. But Krishna
और
is both.
तत्पदार्थ
Beauty, he has beauty and also qualities.
रूपवत
He has both. Beautiful and very nice qualities.
और रूपवत जिनके रूप के साथ कोई रूप के साथ
Arupabhat
कोई
means
तुलना नहीं हो
Krishna's
सकता
form cannot
है,
be
नहीं उसी की,
compared
और
to any
रूपवत
other form.
तत्पदार्थ
Like it's
इसी
incomparable,
के कहते जा रहे हैं।
incomparably
ऐसे
beauty,
सुंदर रूप, भगवान
beautiful.
की सुंदर
Krishna's
रूप
form cannot be
और
compared to
गुण भी
anything
कैसे
else.
बताया महाराज जी ने बताया
So Maharaj
ये
also said how about the qualities of Krishna.
यं ऐसे सुंदर रूप, भगवान के सुंदर रूप और गुण भी कैसे बताया महाराज ने बताया।
So about the beauty and qualities of Krishna, Maharaj spoke.
ततो अन्नं कंबा दयालुं शरणं ब्रज। सुंदर श्लोक।
These verses are so beautiful.
किसको सुनाया?
Uddhava told this sloka too. Okay, so today we are getting to the third canto.
हम ये कथा जो वर्णन होते जा रहे हैं।
So
कितने मधुर कथा सुखदेव स्वयं परीक्षित महाराज,
Parikshit Maharaj himself,
सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद के निकट एक प्रश्न किया।
he did a question too.
पितामह में मेरा पितामह कैसे?
Parikshit Maharaj, asked to Shukadeva,
युद्ध में
how my grandfather was fighting in that battlefield. How did he defeat so many enemies? Tell me about my grandfather. Who was grandfather of Parikshit? Arjun. So he wanted to know how my grandfather Arjun. Tell me about him. Parikshit asked.
उसके बारे में हमें सुनने के लिए इच्छा है।
I want to know more about my grandfather.
उसी प्रकार वर्णन करते हुए
So the Bhagavatam explains.
श्रील सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद आगे की कथा वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं, जिसमें हम इस कथा को जो श्रवण करते जा रहे हैं, ये किस प्रकार स्वयं भगवान इस संसार से अंतर्धान हो गए।
So after Swayam Bhagavan disappeared
उद्धव के कहने लगे
from this world, Bhagavan, before he told to Uddhava, Uddhava, I already finished what I have to do here, but you still have something to do here. So maybe the Guru goes to Nityadham, to the eternal abode, but he tells, oh disciple, you still, please, I left some things for you to do for me here. Like you still have to do things for me here. We want to go with Gurudev, right? But Gurudev says, no. I did what I had to do, but still you have to do some things, like for me, because I left some things that I like undone, and you must fulfill for me. So in the same way, Bhagavan told to Uddhava, I already did whatever I had to do.
जगत जीवों के जो प्रेम दर्शन कराना है वो तो मैं दर्शन करा दिया, और संसार
I showed the prema to the jivas of this world,
जो अधर्मी जो है, विधर्मी,
and also the Adharmi and Vidharmi people. I also destroyed them. I did this. But I just left a little bit things for you to do. What? Hey Uddhava, listen. Krishna told.
Vidur
and Maitri, they are so eager waiting for me to know about me. So describe to them all this literature, the Bhagavatam. I remember when our Tita Maharaj, he was speaking about this Samhita, like, and it was so beautiful. And one day, the Madhu Didi from Bombay, she used to speak so nicely also. She used to tell also this katha sometimes. In Govardhan one time, she told, I like so much, I'm remembering this now. So one thing is a Hamsa, another thing is a Paramahamsa. So Bhagavata is called Paramahamsa Samhita.
जहां पर समस्त मंत्र के एक ही गुच्छ में लिखा गया उसके कहा जाता है संहिता कहा जाता है। मंत्र संहिता आदि
Samhita. So many descriptions of the Shastra about what is a mantra, what is a Samhita. For a sadhaka, for Siddha, Mantramaya Upasana, also Swarasika Upasana. Our Shatita Maharaj, he used to describe this in a very beautiful way. By Mantramaya Upasana, slowly we can progress. Being free from the anarthas and slowly attain to Bhava and Prema. So just like you meditate in the mantra received from your guru. So like Srila Jiva Goswami, he describes.
और सारसिक उपासना जो उत्तम कड़ी के महाभागवत होते हैं
about Swarasiki Upasana, those who are Uttam Bhagavat, very high devotees. All these leelas of Krishna, they are automatically coming in his heart, just like flowers of a garland.
शिला महाराज जी ने एक बात बताया,
Maharaj told one thing,
हंस
Srila
कहाँ
Maharaj,
रहता है?
where the Hamsa lives,
कहीं
the
सरोवर में
swan.
रहता है,
The swan lives in a
पोखर में
lake,
रहता है,
in a lake.
हैं? और राज एक हंस होता है जिसका था राजहंस,
But one kind of swan
सुना
called
कि नहीं?
Rajahamsa. Do you know? One thing is a swan, and a thing is Rajahamsa, like the king of the
हंस
swans.
सामान्य छोटे बड़े,
So the swans, they okay live in a small pond or
किंतु
something
राजहंस
lake.
कहाँ रहता
But
है?
the Rajahamsa, this kind of
शिला महाराज जी कहते थे,
swan,
राजहंस
Srila
जो
Maharaj
है,
used to say that
जहाँ पर विशाल सरोवर हो,
they live in big lakes, like
जहाँ
gigantic,
पर अगाध जलराशि हो, जहाँ पर अनेक प्रकार के सुंदर पुष्प
a
आदि
place
खिले
with
हुए
many
हो।
beautiful flowers.
हंस क्या करते हैं?
And the Hamsa, the
हैं?
swan,
साधारण कमल की हैं? कुछ रस आस्वादन
they relish some taste from the lotus flower.
कमल खिले रहते हैं,
But the Rajahamsa, this
वहीं पर
special
वो
swan,
विराजमान होते हैं।
he goes where
वहीं
the
पर
big
रहते हैं।
flowers, lotus
जिस प्रकार
flowers
उदाहरण
are,
देते
lotus
हैं,
flower, and
ये
they live there, and
कमल जैसे सूर्यं उदते ही पद्मं प्रकाशते,
the lotus flower, they blossom with the sun rays, right?
हो जाते हैं, विकसित हो जाते हैं,
They blossom
और
with the sun
अपने
rays,
सुगंध के चारों
and
तरफ
then
वायु के
they
द्वारा
spread their fragrance to the four
उस सुगंध
directions
के प्राप्त
everywhere.
करके
And
भ्रमर
having
क्या करते हैं?
uh,
इस कमल में आकर के
feeling
बैठ
this
जाता है,
sugandha, means
और
this
उस
good
कमल के
taste,
मकरंद
good
के
smell of
आस्वादन
the
करते
lotus.
उनके सारे अंग क्या हो
The
जाता है?
bumblebee comes,
शिथिल हो जाता है,
and
completely क्या है?
because of this like makaranda, like this nectar of the lotus, the bumblebee becomes like a stunned. You know, he cannot even move. Then he just takes rest inside the
और
lotus
मैंने
flower.
कहा जब सूर्य अस्त होने के साथ ही
But
साथ
when the
कमल
sun
के सारे
sets,
पंखुड़ियां क्या हो
all
जाता
the
है?
petals
अपने
of the
आप
lotus
वो
flower, they automatically they close up.
और देखो
And
जो भ्रमर
you see, this brahmara, this bumblebee, generally,
लकड़ी के
he has
भांति
the
पेड़
strength
के भी
to dig into, to make a hole, to bore, like inside the
पेड़ होता है जिसके नाम जानती है नहीं, जिसको सालगाछ कहा जाता है, साल पेड़ कहा
trees,
जाता है।
even trees, bark of the trees, he can dig.
बहुत ऊंची लंबी होता है,
There's
बहुत
one kind of tree, Gurudeva
लोहे
told
के
the
भांति
name.
ठोस होता है।
She's hard like an
और
iron.
ऐसे
It's
पेड़ के भी
I
वो
couldn't
क्या
get the
करते
name
हैं?
of the
भ्रमर
tree. It's one
क्या करते
species
हैं?
of tree, very
ठोस
hard.
कर देते हैं।
And even this so hard tree, the
उसके इतना
bumblebee
शक्ति होता है।
can make dig.
किंतु
I can
देखो,
dig and make
और
holes.
वही भ्रमर
Dig inside the bark of
सूर्य
this
अस्त होने के
tree.
साथ ही
Okay.
साथ कमल के कोमल पंखुड़ी की भी
But when the sun sets, the lotus flower closes, and the bumblebee is so stunned, he cannot even
तात्पर्य क्या है?
like make a hole in this
कृष्ण
lotus
रूपी
petals
भ्रमर।
and go out, and he's just laying whole night inside.
राधा आदि गोपियों की
So
प्रेम
Krishna is just like this bumblebee,
और उनके
and the
जो
prema of
प्रेम
the
के
gopis.
अनेक प्रकार जो भाव आदि जो है,
All their her
मकरंद जो है,
babas, they're just like this
उसके
makaranda,
प्रेम
this
मकरंद
nectar
में
of the
आस्वादन
lotus.
के लिए कृष्ण
And
रूपी
Krishna
भ्रमर
relishes this,
उसमें ही
and Krishna, this
रह
bumblebee, he just stays there.
उसी प्रकार श्रीमद् भागवत में यही कहते जा रहे हैं,
So Bhagavatam
कहते जा रहे हैं,
explains.
संग भगवान करें हे उद्धव, मैं जिस कार्य के लिए आया था मेरे तो कार्य समाप्त हो गया है,
So Krishna says,
प्रेम दर्शन आदि कराना,
okay, I already did what I had to do. Like I needed to show the prema, I did. To destroy the demons, also I did.
सबको तो मैं मार दिया,
I killed all these great
और
demons,
देखो,
okay.
थोड़ी सी एक काम और
But
काम
still
रह
I
गया,
have to
काम
do
रह
just a
गया।
little bit thing I left
मेरे
behind.
दो भक्त जो है मेरे
Two
विषय में
devotees,
तड़प रहे हैं,
devotees I have, they are suffering
मेरे विषय में
separation from
जानने
me.
के लिए
So they want
वो
so
लोग
much to
उद्ग्रीव
know
हो रहे हैं,
about me.
उत्कंठित
They
हो
are
रहे हैं।
eager to know
वो
about
दोनों
me.
भक्त के निकट
So
तुम जाओ।
please go to these two
वो दोनों
devotees.
भक्त
Krishna
कौन
told
है?
to Uddhava.
एक
Who are
है
these two devotees?
विदुर,
One is
बोलो
Vidhur,
विदुर जी महाराज की,
Jai Vidurji Maharaj,
दूसरी कौन
and
है?
second
मैत्री ऋषि।
Maitreya Rishi.
इसी प्रसंग में श्री उद्धव जी
So in this context,
भगवान से विदाई लेकर के
Uddhava said
अर्थात
goodbye, like bid
मौसम
farewell
लीला
to
होने के
Krishna.
पश्चात,
After the
मैंने
Mosha
बार-बार
Leela,
याद दिलाता हूँ,
again and again I
भगवान की
tell
जो
you
मौसम लीला आदि कथा
that this
जो है,
Mosha
वर्णन
Leela
किया गया
of Bhagavan.
है। पश्चात यदुवंश ध्वंस हो गया, स्वयं भगवान भी
So the Jadavamsa dynasty of Jadus was destroyed.
प्रभात में जाकर के
And
और
then
पेड़ के पास बैठ
Bhagavan went to Prabhas and he sat near the tree, I think on the top of the tree.
भगवान उनके अनेक उपदेश दिया।
Then Uddhava
ये
came,
श्रीमद् भागवत में उद्धव और कृष्ण
and Krishna gave so many instructions to Uddhava. This is called Uddhava Krishna Samvad. Is in the Bhagavatam, this conversation.
को छोड़ करके
So
ये
Krishna told to Uddhava, you have to
द्वारकापुरी
quickly leave this
और
place
दिन में ही
because in
पानी
a
में
few days
डूब
Dwarka will
जाएगा,
be
मेरे लीला
submerged
समाप्त हो
in the
गया।
water. My
मेरे
lila
सारे
will
परिकर
be
भी
over.
नित्य नित्य धाम
All
में
my
चले गए।
associates,
हैं? और केवल तुम जाओ
they have gone already to
उस
spiritual
प्रकार
worlds, so you go
विदुर जी
to
उद्धव
meet Vidur and
बहुत
Maitreyi.
दुखित हुए
So Uddhava was so upset.
और दुखित होकर के
And
जब चलने लगे
when Uddhava
और
left,
चलते चलते यही जमुना के तट पर
he came to the banks of the Jamuna.
जंगल प्रदेश में
Uddhava,
चले गए। हैं? यही जमुना के तट पर
this Jamuna
उन्होंने
river, no? He came to his
विदुर के
banks.
साथ मिले।
And then
जिस
Uddhava
कथा
met
को हमने
Vidur.
उद्धव संवाद
So this is
में
called Uddhava
बहुत कथा के
Vidur
प्रसंग रहे।
Samvad, conversation between Uddhava and Vidur.
स्वयं उद्धव जी एक
So many
क्षण
stories. No? So
उद्धव को देख करके विदुर रो
seeing
पड़े।
Uddhava,
और
Vidur
कहने लगे,
cried and
"उद्धव,
cried.
बताओ
And he said, Uddhava, tell me,
वो त्रिकाल दर्श स्वयं भगवान कहाँ है?"
where is Krishna who knows
कैसे?
present, future and
उसके
past?
बारे
Where
में
is Bhagavan?
उस समय विदुर जी उस समय कृष्ण रोते रोते कहने
Then
लगे,
Uddhava crying
"हे
said,
विदुर जी
Hey Vidurji,
भगवान की कथा मैं क्या बताऊं?
what can I tell you about Bhagavan?
हैं? आप बताइए आप कुशल में है कि नहीं?
Tell me,
आपके
are
बारे
you
में पहले
okay?
मैं जानना
Please
चाहता
tell
हूं।
me, first I want to know
उस
about
समय
you. Are
विदुर
you
जी
okay?
कहने लगे,
So Vidur said,
देखो
Look,
मैं क्या करूं?
what can I tell you?
हैं? ये दुष्ट कौरव दुर्योधन
These
दुशासन
Kauravas, Duryodhan, Dushasana, these
किस
evil
प्रकार जो है पांडवों
people,
के कष्ट थे।
how they gave so much trouble to the Pandavas, and then oh,
एक तो पहले किया कि छठ गृह में
first they did this Lakshagriha, this house,
जलाने
wax
के लिए
house.
प्रयास
They tried to kill the Pandavas, like burned alive with this wax house, house of wax. You know, the Kauravas did that.
बनाया
And
ये पांडव के और देखो जानबूझ करके उसमें आग भी लगाया
so they
किंतु
burned
किसी
this
तरफ से
house. But
पांडव लोग तो
somehow
बाहर आ
the
गए।
Pandavas, they could escape. They escaped.
तब वो देना नहीं चाहते। महाजन दुर्योधन कहने लगे हाँ मैं राजी नहीं है।
So
तब अच्छा तब क्या किया जाए? तो भाई ये तो दोनों भाई है धृतराष्ट्र और
Dhritarashtra
पांडव।
and Pandavas are
चलो
actually
इन्हें
brothers, like
राज्य
cousins.
दिया जाए। कौन सा राज्य? कौन सा? खंडप्रस्थ कहा जाता है।
So they gave to Pandavas the
इसका
Kandava
जिसको कहा जाता है
Prastha.
क्या? जैसे बना दिया। नाम हो गया इंद्र।
So the name became
कितने
Indraprastha.
सुंदर बना। उसको देख
From
करके
Kandava Prastha they
दुर्योधन
did
आदि के भी
Indraprastha.
कैसे हुआ? वो भी
And then,
चलन हुआ।
but still Duryodhana, he was not happy.
कहाँ ये बिल्कुल बंजार भूमि पत्थर
Because it was like a place, it was a desert before. Kandava Prastha was like a desert. And so Duryodhana, he had so much envy and hatred towards the Pandavas. So he wanted to destroy. So they thought, there are many nice stories in the Mahabharata, but in the end, also by this, dice play, playing the dice, they also took everything from the Pandavas. So the Mahabharata explains in details. Not only that, so nobody in that assembly, when they were playing the dice, no one like faced Duryodhana, like saying, "Oh, evil, evil person, what you're doing." Like, for example, Dhritarashtra, he was blind, but he could listen. Like, nobody spoke anything against what Duryodhana was doing, Nobody was, like, standing up against him. Then Dushasana was dragging Draupadi to try to make her naked. And she was impure. But they were, like, she was in her period, but they were dragging her in that assembly by her hair and trying to take out her cloth. And Duryodhana told, make her naked. Like, take out her clothes and put her sitting on my thighs. And then the evil Karna said, "Oh, she doesn't have any shame. She has 5 husbands. She's a prostitute. She's a whore. So if a prostitute is naked or with clothes, doesn't matter. That doesn't make any difference." So this kind of evil person, even Karna, evil Karna. So this kind of words to Draupadi. And then they played the dice. And they took all the kingdom, everything from the Pandavas. And for 12 years, the Pandavas had to stay in the forest, and 1 year of incognito year. Incognito. So, after 13 years passed, when they came to ask for their kingdom back, then they said, "Oh, okay, tomorrow, the day after tomorrow," and 1 more year passed. Because if somebody doesn't want to give you something, you'll ask again and again to him, and he'll just like, "Oh no, later." But then after you'll be tired of asking, and you think, "Oh, he doesn't want to give me," So 1 year passed after. So 13 years they were in the forest, 12 years in the forest, and 1 year incognito year. So 1 year they had to stay incognito. And 1 more year passed, they were thinking what to do, they'll give the kingdom back or not. So Swayam Bhagavan Krishna, he came as a peace messenger to the Kauravas. To try to find a peaceful treat, like some agreement. Bhagavan told Duryodhana, do one thing, just give 5 villages to them. Because they are kshatras. Just give 5 villages. I give you my word. Just give 5 villages and nothing will happen. No war, nothing. They'll be ready to forgive all the injustice you've done to them until now, if only you give 5 villages. But Duryodhana told, 5 villages? I will not even give the piece of land that can fit in the head of a needle. I will not give to them without fight. Okay? I want fight. I want battle. But he was a foolish person, Duryodhana. He didn't know the results of that fight, of that war. So after that, Vidur said, what can I tell you? So to Uddhava, everything was destroyed. Now it's just like a crematorium, everything like a cemetery. And after that, Duryodhana, his thigh was broken by Bhim. Maharaj told how until that in the last day of the war, how the thigh of Duryodhana was broken. Bhim broke his thigh. This story also is so interesting and nice that Balaram came in this moment. In the last day, Balaram came because when the war was going to start, Balaram said, "Oh, I'll do now pilgrimage trip." He said, "Oh, I'll go for pilgrimage." But after the 18 days of war, in the last day, he came. And there was the Gada Juddha, means the mace duel, like this fight with the mace, that, the weapon. So, between Bhim and Duryodhana. But Duryodhana, he had a blessing from his mother that his body was like steel. So Bhima was hitting the body of Duryodhana, and the sound was coming, ting, 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 like a resounding noise of like metal. So Gandhari told Duryodhana, tomorrow morning, oh my son, come naked, and I will open your eyes and I will give a blessing in your body, and your body will be even harder than the thunderbolts. And Bhima will not be able to affect you with his any power. But Bhagavan, when Duryodhana was going to find his to see his mother, Duryodhana was like naked, and Krishna said, "Oh, you don't have a shame? You are so big, and you're going to see your mother naked." Okay, a baby boy is sitting naked with his mother. Okay, but you're already grown up. How can you go naked to your mother? Krishna was telling to Duryodhana. Okay, then Duryodhana he covered his inner parts, with hands like this, with his hands, like he just covered this part, the intimate part. And then when Gandhari, she opened her eyes to give the blessing to the body of Duryodhana, this part of like the thigh, upper side of the thigh, this intimate part. Um, her eyes could not touch, no, because he was covering this part. So Bhima was being defeated by Duryodhana in the mace duel, So Balaram had come this last day of the war, 18th day, to see this duel between Duryodhana and Bhim, because both were disciples in the mace, in the Gada of Balaram. So Bhima was sweating so much, sweating, because he was beating like Duryodhana in the head, in the chest, everywhere, and the sound was coming, tan, like resounding sound, like this metal sound coming. Not any effect was not coming. So Krishna thought, I have to protect my devotee. So Krishna just said, "Oh, Majlavaya," like, "Oh, just hit him here," like showing to the thigh, here, like in the hip area, So Balaram said, "Kaneya, what you're doing? What you're saying? Why are you screaming?" Then Krishna like, "Majlavaya, Majlavaya," and just like touching his own thigh, like showing his hips, Bhima understood the message, and Bhima very, like, he just hit here near the hip and thigh, and Duryodhana fell on the ground. Bolo Vrindavana Bihari Lal ki jai. At that moment, Balaram became angry, and he started screaming, "Bhim, did I teach you this? That you have to do this in the duel of mace? You cannot do this in the mace duel, in the Gada fight." So the Guru was so angry. Balaram was angry with him. Who can protect you, if the Guru is angry? But Bhagavan was there, and he told to Balaram, "Oh, Dao Bhaiya, my brother, listen. In the beginning of the war, you said you didn't want to take any side, and you just went for pilgrimage, isn't it? 18 days, you're not here. You're just here and there. You were not here. You were traveling. And now you come back and..."
अर्जुन के पुत्र अभिमन्यु के ये लोगों ने क्या किया?
What did they do with Abhimanyu?
युद्ध के पहले नियम क्या था? एक सैनिक दूसरे सैनिक के युद्ध करेगा. सूर्य उदय से
The rule of the war is that only one warrior can fight another warrior, and only in this when the sun is there. Like after sunset, nobody can fight with each other. So they killed Abhimanyu. 7 warriors, they killed Abhimanyu alone. And he didn't have any weapon in his hand at that moment. Jayadratha.
ये
Drone.
सप्तरथी एक
The
साथ
7
मिल
warriors
करके
together, they
उनको
gathered.
घेरा, अभिमन्यु को। हैं? जहाँ पढ़ रहे प्रभु के जैसे ऐसे उच्च स्वर से बोले, हैं? बोले आप तो अभी आगे, आप उस समय
So
कहाँ थे?
Krishna told to Baladeva, where were you when all this
आप उस
happened?
समय तो आप तो कुछ नहीं बोले, उस
You
समय तो
didn't
थे
say
ही नहीं।
anything at that time when they did all these
युद्ध
bad
के नियम
things,
तो इस
right?
लोगों ने तोड़ा।
They first broke the rules of the war. First they did that.
इसलिए ये युद्ध है, ये कोई कसरत नहीं है, दंगल नहीं है, दंगल भूमि नहीं
This
है।
is a fight. This is not only like they're not only
पहलवान जैसे
playing
दंगल करते
or
हैं,
like just
ये दंगल
training.
भूमि नहीं है,
This
ये
is
कसरत की भूमि नहीं
this
है,
is
ये युद्ध के तरह, ये
battlefields. This is the battlefield, the place to establish the dharma. Krishna said to Baladev.
धर्म क्षेत्र है। धर्म क्या है, अधर्म क्या है?
What is dharma?
इसको
What is
विचार तो
adharma?
करिए।
You have to distinguish to have this
त्याग
discrimination.
दिया। उल्लंघन किसने किया?
Who broke the
जो
dharma?
नियम किसने तोड़ा?
Who
यही
broke the
लोगों ने तोड़ा।
rules? They, the Kauravas.
जब इसी प्रकार भगवान कृष्ण बोले,
So when Bhagavan Krishna said this,
बलदेव प्रभु शांत हो।
then Baladeva he was
और इसके
calmed
पश्चात
down,
की कथा जो है,
and then after that,
और सारी रात वो पड़े रहे।
whole
इसी
night,
कथा महाराज जी बोले,
Maharaj will
मैं
speak.
बताता हूँ।
I'll just tell two
और
words.
दुर्योधन के सांस, अंतिम सांस जते जा
How
रहे
the last breath came for
हैं। और उस
Duryodhan.
समय
He was about to die.
द्रोणाचार्य जी के पुत्र
And then the son of Dronacharya,
अश्वत्थामा
Ashwatthama,
आकर के,
came
हैं, बोले आप मुझे तो एक दिन के लिए तुम
and told to Duryodhana,
सेनापति नहीं
until
बनाए।
now you didn't make
यदि मुझे
me,
एक दिन के लिए
not
तुम
even for one day
सेनापति
you
बना
didn't make me
देते,
general,
हे मित्र
commander.
दुर्योधन,
If you had made me
तुम्हारी
general,
ऐसी गति नहीं
oh
होता।
my friend Duryodhan,
तुम्हारे
this would not
जय
have
जय
happened
जय।
to you. You'd be
बोले
victorious,
रात्रि काल में तुम्हें
victory,
सेनापति
if you
बना
had
देता
made
हूँ।
me
बस
commander. Then
अपने
Duryodhan
सिंहा के
took
खून को
the
लेकर के
blood from
तिलक
his
बना
own
दिया,
thigh
तुम्हें
and
सेनापति
he
बना
made
दिया।
like a
तो
tilak
वही जो कथा जो
on the
आपने
head of
महाराज जी ने
Ashwatthama,
सुनाया,
saying, okay,
पांचों
now you're
पांडवों के
commander.
मस्तक लेकर के आओ।
So
भगवान
Duryodhana
सर्वंतर्यामी
told,
है,
bring the 5
भाई
heads
किसको
of
बचाना
the
है,
5
किसको रक्षा
Pandavas.
करना है,
So God
वही
knows
जानते
everything.
हैं।
And he knows who
भगवान
to
ने क्या
protect and who
उसी
to
बीच
kill.
की एक कथा क्या
So
थी,
that day will happen. Bhagavan
जब
knew
वो
about
सब
this.
दुर्योधन
So
तब
Duryodhana
मरी
was almost
किंतु
dying.
भगवान तब कह रहे हैं, हे युधिष्ठिर, भीम, अर्जुन, नकुल, सहदेव, द्रौपदी सुनो,
Hey Yudhishthir,
देखो
Bhim, Nakul,
जब तक
Sahadev.
सांस
Krishna told to
सांप
them,
के अंदर में थोड़ा सा
if
सांस
the
है,
snake still has life in her
विश्वास
body,
मत करो
you should
तुम्हारे
not
विजय
trust her
प्राप्त होगी।
never that you won,
सांप
like you
यदि
have victory.
विषैली सांप है ना,
Like a
उनको
snake. Even
रीढ़
if you
तोड़
break
देने पर मर
her,
जाएगा, ऐसे मत करो।
even if you break her back, like
वो
her,
कहीं
you know,
पर
back,
हाथ
you
और
know,
जीवित हो
her
जाएगा,
bones
ठीक हो जाएगा।
from back,
वो
you think
आकर
she
के
died,
तुम्हें जरूर
but
डसेगा।
maybe she'll
बोले
even
ये
come
लोग
to you
ऐसे
later
ही
and
हैं।
bite you, you know, so
विजय
don't think that
उत्सव
she
मना
is
रहे
already
रात्रि काल
dead.
में।
So in the same
देख
way,
हमारे
don't
हमने
think
जय
that you're
हो गया,
already
विजय उत्सव।
victorious
ऐसे
and
नहीं,
Duryodhana
जब
was
तक
dead.
दुर्योधन
No.
जीवित रहे,
Until Duryodhana is alive,
उनके
Krishna
अंतिम
said,
सांस जब तक नहीं चले
until
जाए,
he didn't have
तब
this
तक
last
तुम्हारी
breath,
विजय नहीं है।
you should not think you won the
फिर
war.
कैसे है?
Krishna told
किंतु
to the
पांडव लोग
Pandavas.
मानने वाला थोड़ी है।
But the Pandavas
उनको
didn't
भूल
want
गए।
to believe. They said, no, we
तो
won, we
भगवान ने क्या
won.
की, आरो एक लीला रचना है।
So Krishna did
तो
another lila
द्रौपदी के
now.
5 पुत्र के उसी टेंट
So
में
the
ढक
5
दिया,
sons of
और
Draupadi, they were sleeping in
द्रौपदी
one
के
tent.
भाई
And the brother of Draupadi also,
धृष्टद्युम्न को रख दिया,
Drishtadumna,
छह
they were
रख दिया।
sleeping in some
और
tents.
चले गए। भगवान कृष्ण
And Bhagavan Krishna
है 5 पांडव के और द्रौपदी के लेकर के दूसरी
took
टेंट में
Draupadi
जाकर सोए।
and
कहीं
Pandavas,
महादेव के कहा गया
and they were
कि
sleeping
आप
in
इसकी
other
रक्षा
tents. And Krishna
और
told to
देखो,
Mahadev to protect
ये
that tent.
दुष्ट कैसे महादेव के निकट आकर के बोले मैं एक बार जो है
But the
दर्शन
Ashwatthama
करना
told to
चाहता हूँ।
Mahadev, no, I just want to see them just for a moment. Ashwatthama told to Mahadev.
और बस गए अंदर में गए
And
जाकर के
when Ashwatthama came inside,
छह बंद चला दी
very quickly he just shot 5 arrows
पांचों के सिर को अलग
and
सोचने लगे
and
और पांचों सिर को
and he
लेकर
cut
के
off 5 heads.
वो चल पड़े।
And he came with these heads.
दुर्योधन उस समय अंतिम सांस लेने
Duryodhana
वाला
at that
था,
moment, he was about to
रात्रि
take
काल
his
था,
last breath. It was
एक
at
एक को
nighttime.
लेकर कैसे कहते कहने लगे जो मेरे सब भाई के
Then
जो मरने वाले थे,
Duryodhana, give me the head of my brother, of Bhim, who killed my 100 brothers. I want the head of Bhim. So the biggest head was from the son of Bhim, because it was. But Ashwatthama didn't know it was the sons of Pandavas. Ashwatthama thought it was the really heads of the Pandavas. So when Ashwatthama gave the big head of Bhim to Duryodhana, very easily Duryodhana pressed the head
बलून हो
like
कुछ हो थोड़ा सा ऐसे
just like a balloon. Imagine a balloon. If you press a balloon, some pressure, then it explodes, right? Like this. So Duryodhana did this with his strength in his head,
ऐसे
and
बड़ा सिर को लेकर के ऐसे
and
जब
very
करने के
easily he
बाद
exploded
बिल्कुल
that head, like mash, like the
तो
head.
उस समय दुर्योधन
So-
कहने लगे
Duryodhana told to Ashwatthama, Ashwatthama,
तुमने क्या कहा
what have you done?
मेरे शत्रुओं के
Because
शत्रु
my
तो मेरा
enemy
पांडव लोग,
were the
पांडवों के शत्रुओं
Pandavas,
के साथ नहीं।
not the sons of the
तुमने
Pandavas.
क्या कर दिया?
What did you do?
ये भीम के उस
This is not the head of
नहीं हो
Bhim. This
सकता है।
impossible to be the head of Bhim.
है?
This head you
मैं
gave me,
जानता हूँ।
because I know.
है?
Because many times
तो अब इसने स्वयं विधि
like
में
I know this is not the
थोड़ा सा
Bhima's
विजय
head.
की चमक लगे,
So there was like a
देखा वो,
lightning like
तो
this,
भीम के
and
पुत्र
then
की
Duryodhana saw
है?
it was the son of the head
इसके
of
पश्चात
Bhima. You know.
और दुर्योधन निराश होकर के
So
बस अंतिम
Duryodhana was
दे दिया
hopeless, and then he
और
died,
सिद्धांत
gave
को
his
देखने
last breath
लगे,
and died.
ये
And
पांडव लोग तो मुझे छोड़ेंगे नहीं, है?
And Ashwatthama
मुझे
thought, oh,
प्रायश्चित कुछ करना है,
the
मेरा
Pandavas will
व्यासदेव
never
निराश
forgive
करने
me,
लगे।
so I have
और
to do
फिर वो
Prayashchitta
शंकर भगवान
atonement. So he went to Vyasadeva,
इनको
Ashwatthama.
लेकर के फिर उसी टेंट में आ गए।
So
पांच पांडव पास द्रौपदी आकर के देखा
Swayam Bhagavan came to the tents
उनके
where the
भाई
sons were sleeping
और ये
with
पांच
Pandavas and Draupadi, and they saw that the 5 sons of Draupadi and her brother, they were without heads and they were asleep like.
किसने किया?
So who done this?
यही अश्वत्थामा। अश्वत्थामा कहाँ है? पीछे
Where is Ashwatthama? Where is
क्या
Ashwatthama?
करते देखा, व्यासदेव के पास आई, कहले मुझे प्रायश्चित्त की
So Ashwatthama came to Vyasadeva wanting atonement.
मैं आ गया हूँ, बस पीछे घूम करके
Not
देखा,
atonement. I come here. So when Ashwatthama looked back, Bhima and Arjuna they were just there in Vyasadeva ashram.
से कहाँ तक
And then Ashwatthama was running away from them,
दौड़ते जाकर के
and then he was running, and Bhima and Arjuna came to Ashwatthama. And then Yudhishthira told,
हैं, इसके दंड कौन देने वाले?
who can give a punishment to Ashwatthama?
हे भीम अर्जुन, तुम लोग दंड देने वाले नहीं।
Bhima, Arjuna, you are not the ones to give punishments.
द्रौपदी
Draupadi, she must give the punishment because her brother and her 5 sons were killed.
देखो ब्रह्मास्त्र भी है।
So I didn't speak this, but first also Ashwatthama he sent a Brahmastra. But Arjuna also he also sent a Brahmastra. So 2 Brahmastras coming, and Vyasadeva said, 2 Brahmastras, everything will be destroyed. Vyasadeva said, take it back, take it back.
अश्वत्थामा ने कहा,
Then Ashwatthama said, I don't know how to take back my Brahmastra.
तो कहते हैं दिशा बदल दो।
So change the direction.
बोले दिशा बदल देता हूँ।
Okay, I'll change
दिशा
direction.
कैसे बदला? ब्रह्मास्त्र
But
जाकर के देखो कैसे दुष्ट है ये।
you see how Ashwatthama is an evil person.
उन्होंने क्या
He
की?
changed the direction to the womb of Uttara.
बोले इसके वंश के ध्वंस कर।
Let's destroy all his dynasty.
निशाना करने लगे।
So he changed the direction to the womb of Uttara. And then
है? और परीक्षित महाराज की माता क्या ना?
the mother of
उत्तरा छठ
Parikshit Maharaj, Uttara, she was screaming, because she was feeling so much pain. And Krishna, she was calling for Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. And then in one Swarupa form, Krishna was with the Pandavas. In another form, Krishna entered in the womb of Uttara. And he protected to Parikshit with his Gada, with his mace. Krishna destroyed the Brahmastra.
इसके आगे की कथा उसी प्रकार है।
So the continuation of this katha is that Swayam Bhagavan, he
कहने लगे
told,
ये द्रौपदी के पीछे इसको क्या किया जाए?
okay, Draupadi must decide what will happen to Ashwatthama.
मेरे पुत्र तो नहीं आएंगे।
So Draupadi said, if we kill him, my sons will not come back. So I'm crying separation from my sons, and if he dies also, his mother will cry in separation. So Ashwatthama had one stone, one gem. Actually, Ashwatthama had one blessing that he will be alive for 4 yugas. He will be alive. Until nowadays, Ashwatthama is alive. In the Bhagavatam, the 12th canto, and also Bhavishya Purana explained. After this Kali Yuga, next Dwapara Yuga, according to Bhagavatam, who will be the Vyasa of Bhagavatam? Who wrote the Bhagavatam now? Krishna Dvaipayan, Veda Vyas. But who will be the Vyas in the next Yuga is Ashwatthama. So they took out his gem. He had one gem, like one jewel. He was carrying always this gem. So he became weak, just like an animal. Some people say that until nowadays, Ashwatthama is in Vrindavana here. In Vrindavan. Some saints, they see him sometimes. In Dwapara Yuga, he's from Dwapara Yuga, so his body is so big, so big. And so nowadays he's here in Braja, somewhere, doing tapasya, austerities until now. So Vidur told all this katha to Uddhava, and then he said,
उद्धव जी फिर कृष्ण के अनेक लीला कथाओं को भी श्रवण कराया।
So their
समय हो गया।
time is finished.
अनेक लीला कथाओं को उन्होंने
So many also leelas of Krishna.
कथा आदि सारी
He
कथा को
spoke.
श्रवण कर गया।
I don't know who spoke, Uddhava or Vidur, but he spoke leelas of
Vidur
Krishna from childhood and
और
many things.
उद्धव दोनों
And then Uddhava and Vidur, they started
और
crying.
इसके पश्चात
And after that,
भगवान के आदेश के अनुसार
according to the instruction of Bhagavan,
फिर मैत्री ऋषि के निकट
Uddhava
गए
went
और
to
मैत्री
Maitri
के साथ
Rishi,
वहीं पर मिले
and then he met
और
Maitri
विदुर
Rishi.
मैत्री
So also there is another
और
conversation.
संवाद
Is
और
Vidur
विदुर
Maitri Samvad and
फिर उद्धव संवाद भी
Vidur Uddhava Samvad also.
वर्णन है। ये समस्त बहुत कथाएं
So many
वर्णन है
stories.
ये तृतीय स्कंध में।
So this is
ये
the
समस्त
third
वर्णन
canto.
करते करते हुए आगे जाकर के कपिल देवहूति के संवाद भी
And
वर्णन
later
किया।
also the Kapil Devahuti Samvad is
जिसमें
there.
विशेष करके जो है
Especially,
जीव किसी प्रकार मातृगर्भ
He
में रह
explains how the
करके
jiva, they stay in
और
the
कष्ट
womb of the
आदि भोग
mother
आदि करते
and they
रहते
suffer
हैं,
so much in
उसके
the
बारे में
womb.
भी वर्णन किया गया। ये समस्त बहुत वर्णन है।
There's so much
अब
description of this.
समय अधिक हो गया, महाराज जी
So
अभी
now time
बताएंगे।
is done, finished.
तो
So
इसलिए मैं
Maharaj
यहीं
will
पर
still
हम कथा
speak.
को
So here I'll
विश्राम
end
देते
my
हैं।
katha here.
आगे की कथा हम काल श्रवण करेंगे।
Tomorrow we'll speak more.
वंशा
Vanchakaupatarvesha.
पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो